Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, number of employees in an organization increases by 10% every year. If there are 5,000 employees in the organization, find the number of employees in organization after 2 years. Here we have given number of employees. Suppose it is P. There are 5,000 employees. Also, we have given the number of employees increases by 10% every year. That is, rate is 10%, and we have to find the number of employees after 2 years. So time is 2 years. So by using formula, number of employees after 2 years will be P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. So here P is 5,000 into 1 plus R is 10% divided by 100 to the power N means 2 years. So after calculating this, we get 6,050. Hence, number of employees in the organization after 2 years be 6,050.